Yes, my business started in Marin County in Sausalito. All my gifts that I had given to everybody were always something that I baked. It was kind of a gift from my heart, and I started making fudge and playing with it. The rest is kind of history. What I'm most proud of is when I started this company in Marin County, it was called Sammy's Sweets. It funded the Marin Humane Society. What I would sell, a portion would go to the Marin Humane Society, and it just made me feel good knowing that I could give back to some kind of an organization. I actually moved out to Marietta to be partners and a pastry chef in a restaurant. I have the fudge down pretty good, and I just figure that if there's something that you're really good at, don't diversify. Stick with what you got. So I'm trying to stick with the fudge and make a go of it. I joined the Cottage Baker because I want to get my products out there, and I want to do it legally. I want it to be done right. I don't want to do something and then all of a sudden have it fall apart because I didn't do it legally. And it's really gratifying to be able to do something to help give back.